Have you been thinking about starting an LLC, maybe in Pennsylvania, and then once you started researching it, everything just felt more complicated than it needed to be? If that's where you're at, you're definitely not alone, and you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start an LLC in Pennsylvania, step by step, without the legal jargon or confusing explanations. We'll talk about naming your LLC, filing through Pennsylvania's online business portal, taxes, compliance, and one pretty big advantage that makes Pennsylvania stand out from a lot of other states. And stick around until the end, because I'll also show you how to set this up without dealing with paperwork, deadlines, or state websites on your own. Quick intro if you're new here. I'm Bobby Casey, founder of BusinessAnywhere. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs, U.S. residents, expats, and digital nomads set up U.S. companies 100% remotely. I've seen what works, what slows people down, and what founders usually wish they'd known before they filed. So let's make sure you do this the smart way. All right, let's start with the obvious question. Why Pennsylvania? Pennsylvania is honestly one of those states that doesn't get talked about enough, but it's very founder-friendly. You've got major business hubs like Philadelphia and Pittsburgh, a straightforward filing process, and here's the big one. Pennsylvania does not require an annual LLC report or an annual LLC fee. That's rare. Most states charge you every single year just to keep your LLC active. Pennsylvania doesn't, which can save you a lot of money and hassle long term. Let me give you a quick example. Mike runs a consulting business out of Philly. He looked at New Jersey and New York first, but once he realized both states come with annual LLC fees and recurring filings, he took a closer look at Pennsylvania. $125 filing fee, no yearly reports, no annual fees. For him, it was just easier to manage and cheaper over time. All right, so let's break down how you actually do this. First up, choosing your LLC name. In Pennsylvania, your LLC name has to be distinguishable from other businesses in the state and include LLC, LLC, or limited liability company. Before you get too attached to a name, you'll want to check availability using the Pennsylvania Business Entity Search. Quick side note here, also check domain names and trademarks. Just because the state approves a name doesn't automatically mean it's clear everywhere else. Next, let's talk about your registered office or registered agent. Pennsylvania gives you two options. You can list a registered office address in Pennsylvania, or you can use a commercial registered office provider, basically a professional registered agent service. Either way, you need a physical Pennsylvania address. No P.O. boxes. Most founders choose a commercial provider because it keeps their personal address private and makes sure legal documents don't get missed. All right, now we're at the step where things become official. Filing your certificate of organization. This is done online through the Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Hub. The filing fee is $125 and the process is pretty straightforward. You'll enter your LLC name, your registered office or agent info, organizer details, and an effective date if you want one. In most cases, approvals come through fairly quickly. Once this is approved, your Pennsylvania LLC officially exists. All right, moving right along. Let's talk about your operating agreement. Pennsylvania doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but you absolutely want one. This document explains how your LLC is run, who owns what, how profits are split, and what happens if someone leaves or things change later. Even if you're a single-member LLC, having an operating agreement helps protect your liability status and makes your business look more legitimate to banks and partners. Next up, your EIN. Your EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is basically your business's federal ID number. You'll need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. The good news is it's completely free and only takes a few minutes to get from the IRS website. Once you've got that, you can open a business bank account. And this part really matters. Always keep your business and personal finances separate. Mixing them can weaken your liability protection. Most banks will ask for your certificate of organization, EIN, operating agreement, and a valid government-issued ID. If you're not physically in the U.S., you'll also need a legitimate U.S. business address for banking and compliance, not a friend's address, a real one. All right, now let's talk taxes and compliance. Depending on what your business actually does, you may need to register with the Pennsylvania Department of Revenue. If you sell taxable products or have employees in Pennsylvania, you'll need to register for sales tax or employer withholding. Local taxes can also apply, especially in places like Philadelphia, so it's important to check based on your specific situation. Now, here's the part most people really like about Pennsylvania: these ongoing requirements. Pennsylvania does not require an annual LLC report. No yearly filing, no annual fee. Instead, the state only requires a decennial report, which is filed once every 10 years just to confirm your business information. That's it. Compared to states that charge you every single year, this is a huge advantage. All right, let's do a quick recap. To start an LLC in Pennsylvania, you choose a name, list a registered office or agent, file your certificate of organization, create an operating agreement, get your EIN, open a business bank account, register for taxes if needed, and file a decennial report every 10 years. If that feels like more than you want to deal with, that's exactly why we built BusinessAnywhere. We'll form your Pennsylvania LLC for free. You only pay the $125 state filing fee. We include your first year of registered agent service at no extra cost, help with your EIN and operating agreement, and send compliance reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. If you want to skip the paperwork and avoid costly mistakes, check out BusinessAnywhere. The link's in the description. And before you go, let me know in the comments. Are you planning to form your LLC in Pennsylvania, or are you comparing it with a state like New Jersey or New York? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.